Alright, who's up next? Let's try Dolly Dowson, maybe? The Rogster, who I suck with now and I'm never going to play with him again. Let's do Ryu again. We got an Abel.
This is going to be one hell of a show.
Who has the face of a fucking French dude who fucking wrestles badgers. I'm doing something. Thank you. It's not coming out, but I'm doing something. Fuck you. Oh, he fucking eel kicked the fucking hurricane. Can't block. What the fuck? Okay. Empty jump and throw, and I can't do anything. Oh, I cannot. This is unbelievable. Just get your free hits. Get them. Online play. Free hits. There you go. Can't do anything. Ah, dude! You saw my fucking hands in his body. My throw was already out in his body, and he throws me. Whatever, dude.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight! Here's the fight we've all been waiting for.
Fuck this guy, I'm playing for real. Fuck you. I was too lenient, now he's gonna get it. Yes, oh my god, of course the combo doesn't come out, it's online. What the fuck was happening there? What the fuck? Yes. You get free throws for everything. Look at this, free combos. Everything I do is so fucking delayed. Fuck you, right in your balls. Fist to testicle action. You will like it. Whee! That's right, Scrubs get hit by Rhythm Hurricane. Bitch, bitch. Oh, of course, free throw, because I can't do shit online. Free fucking unblockable, because I can't do shit online. Yeah, how you like two? Oh my god, no combo, because it's online. Why did that hit me? Yes! Defeat the Scrub Abel. Defeat him. I actually could have done a third EX Hurricane in the corner, but it would have scaled down to like no damage, so there was no reason to do it. But the second one was pretty nice and fancy. And now I'm on to the finals.